and in this video, I will show you how to verify Google Business Profile. So first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to your business, or you have to go to Business Profile or Google Profile right here. And as you can see, this is my Google Business Profile, and I don't have any problems at the moment. But if ever you encounter such problems like you need to verify your Google Business Profile, all you have to do is go to Google Business Help Center. Here you have to click the very first one, Google Business Profile Help. Now, once you click this, it will take you directly to the following topics where you can see that specific topic or issue that you want, and they will provide you some instruction on how to fix this issue. So you have to click this Fix Verification Issues right here. Tap this one. Wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, we have here Fix Verification Issues. You just have to scroll down and then go to Need More Help. Tap Contact Us to tell them exactly or specifically your concern or your problem. Once you tap this Contact Us, you need to answer the following like which business do you need help? So the name of your business right here or your Google Business Profile. And then you can tell here that you are unable to verify your account. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to click next or this next button. And then you can choose from any of the topic here, depends on what you're encountering. Let's just say no way to verify is offered, tap next step. And because I have already verified my account, so I can see this one. But in case that your account is not yet verified, what you're going to do here, what you can see here is a description box or a box where you can send a message. You can write your main concern, like you need a help in order for you to verify your Google Business Profile. However, you could also do this send feedback to their help center. So as you can see, because I have verified my account, I can just simply tap next here to check my verification status. But since, let's just say, you are not yet verified and you have encountered some issues, then you can send them a message directly after you tap that resources. Or you can also send feedback to Google. And in case that the issue is connected to your Google, you can add your description right here, add an image or screenshot, and then tap send and wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with this matter. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.